Okay, so not quite sure what just happened. Hey guys, Ford here from Ford Store Reviews. Give me 1 second. We're here at the Vice. We're going to see how much torment this little Ratchet can take from Harbor Freight. And then I'll tell you guys if it's worth buying or not. I have a very bad feeling about this. Oh, man. Uh-huh. Yep. That socket's done. Piece of junk. That socket, it popped. It's a hairline crack. You guys can't see it. It's done. It's getting rounded. It's done. It didn't even last a minute on the torture test. So, would I still knock this as a tool that could be used? No. But I definitely wouldn't choose this as my first choice. Thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, and check out the channel if you want to. And I'm Ford, and wait a minute. Okay, so surprisingly, this did really well, actually. Hold on a minute, hold on. It's still holding up. Man, Pittsburgh's tough. The socket didn't slip or anything. That was pretty good. That thing's pretty tough. So yeah, totally worth $5. I thought it rounded, but no, it stayed together. So I'm pretty good. I'm pretty surprised. Not too bad. I'll see you guys in the next video.